Hello everyone, my name is Fajar Islami.
My name is Al Faizan. We are from
Transition Senior High School. We will proceeding our research with the title STOR, the shortest road in the Sangiran Archaeological Museum Educational Tour.
We start from introduction.
Introduction. Indonesia has many historical treasures, one of which is recognized as World Heritage by UNESCO is the Sangiran Archaeological Museum. The Sangiran Archaeological Museum has 5 clusters located separately in 2 districts, namely Sragen Regency and Karanganyar Regency, which include the Krikilan Cluster as a visitor center, Dayu Cluster, Bukuran Cluster, Ngebung Cluster, and Manyarjo Cluster. Each cluster has its own uniques, so visitors need to visit all clusters to enjoy various collections from each cluster and can study the entire collection. Thus, a shortest route is needed to visit the Sangiran Archaeological Museum cluster. Determining the shortest route to cluster can use the Dijkstra algorithm in its solution. Purpose. This research aims to determine the shortest tourist route by applying the Dijkstra algorithm for a solution. Method. This research uses a descriptive method with a quantitative approach. The data used in this research were taken from maps of the Sangiran Museum area and Google Maps. Data collection methods in this research are experiment and literature study. Data processing. The data obtained is in the form of Sangiran Museum cluster location point data. The initial location point and intersection point are assumed to be points, then connected by X depicting roads that are given a value to form a weight graph. Next, from the weight graph, the shortest road from each starting point is determined to pass through all the Sangiran Museum cluster by applying the logic of the Dijkstra algorithm with the help of Wolfram Mathematica 30 software.
Step. First, determine the starting point, destination point, and intersection. Point description can be seen on the screen. Second, collect distance data between points. The following is data on distance between points. Third, creation of weight graph. This is an image of our weight graph which is called the Sangiran graph. And the last solution using the Dijkstra algorithm. This is the program we use to solve the shortest path problem.
Result. The program to run requires 2 input, namely X and P. Input X represents the starting point. For example, we use the point S1, while the input P states the destination point, P1 until T5, which indicate its Sangiran Museum cluster. Thus, if the program is given input X and P, then it gets an output like this. In the first row, show the starting point S1, Sragen bus terminal, toward the ending point T1 Krikilan cluster, which passes through point S1, I2, T2, I7, I6, I8, and T1, with a distance of 30.7 km. Likewise with the line below. This step is repeated for other starting point toward each Sangiran Museum cluster. This step is also used to find the distance between the Sangiran Museum cluster. From the program that has been run, the following route and distance results are obtained. From the data that has been obtained, the shortest tourist route is then determined from each starting point to the 5 Sangiran Museum cluster. The result of the shortest route and distance are from Sragen bus terminal to Dayu cluster, Krikilan cluster, Ngebung cluster, Manyarjo cluster, Bukuran cluster with a distance of 37.1 km. From Karanganyar Square to Dayu cluster, Krikilan cluster, Ngebung cluster, Manyarjo cluster, Bukuran cluster with a distance of 36.9 km. From Solo Balapan Station to Dayu cluster, Krikilan cluster, Ngebung cluster, Manyarjo cluster, Bukuran cluster with a distance of 24.7 km. From Adi Sumarmo Airport to Dayu cluster, Krikilan cluster, Ngebung cluster, Manyarjo cluster, Bukuran cluster with a distance of 26.3 km. From Purwodadi bus terminal to Ngebung cluster, Manyarjo cluster, Bukuran cluster, Krikilan cluster, Dayu cluster with a distance of 59.2 km. STEM component. Science, Dijkstra algorithm, shortest path problem and graph theory. Technology, search distance data with the Google Maps application. Engineering, present data into a weight graph and create a program in Wolfram Mathematica 30. Mathematics, calculate the smallest weight for the shortest route search.
Excellence. The result of this research have several excellence, namely 1. Can provide the shortest route solution for people from areas around the Sangiran Museum area, so that they can increase travel efficiency. 2. Can be used as reference by the management of the Sangiran Museum to create an educational tour program for the Sangiran Museum. Conclusion. Based on the result, it is known that this research success in determining the shortest tourist route from 5 starting points in several areas around the Sangiran Museum using the Dijkstra algorithm.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.